Guys, someone's knocking at the door, and I have no idea who the heck that is. Let's check it out. It's just right over here. What the fuck? Who is it? Guys, this is actually pretty weird because this is like 6 o'clock in the evening, and I have no idea who this is. I don't answer the door unless I know if it's like one of my friends, or like if it's someone who I know, it's like my brother or my sister, but that's definitely not my sister or my brother. That's somebody else wearing a freaking black hat, a winter hat. It's weird. Still freaking knocking. This is weird. What the fuck? Guys, this is like so freaking creepy. I have no idea who it is. Oh man. It's just like this person that's like this guy that's like knocking on the door really hard. But man, I don't know who it is. It's some sort of like stranger. So I have no idea why he's knocking on the door so hard for like that, but I mean it's weird. Well guys, I'm gonna end the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.